Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Cloud Console, manage projects and services step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type in console.cloud.google.com and press enter. Wait for the Google Cloud Console page to load. If you are not logged in, you will see a prompt to sign in. Click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your Google account email address in the provided field. Click Next to proceed. Now, enter your password and click Next again. If prompted, complete any additional security checks, such as two-factor. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the Google Cloud Console dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the user interface. To manage projects, click on the Project drop-down menu at the top of the page. Select an existing project or click New Project to create a new one. If creating a new project, fill in the required information, such as project name and billing account. Click Create once you have entered the details. To manage services, navigate to the left sidebar. Click on Navigation menu to expand the full list of services. Explore options such as Compute Engine, Cloud Storage, and APIs and select the service you wish to work with. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure or manage the selected service. Use the search bar if you're looking for something specific within Google Cloud. Remember to save any changes you make during your session. Once you finish your tasks, you can log out by clicking on your profile icon at the top right. Select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. This will end your session securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.